85 million jobs may be displaced by 2030, according to the World Economic Forum of 2025. In this video, we'll cover jobs to see reduced demand, declining but not disappearing jobs, and jobs that are expected to grow in demand. First, we'll start with jobs to see reduced demand by 2030. At number 6, we have manual or repetitive labor jobs. These include jobs such as assembly line workers, machine operators, packaging workers. These jobs will be reduced because automation, robotics, and AI are handling repetitive manufacturing tasks more efficiently. At number 5, we have clerical and administrative jobs, such as data entry clerks, payroll clerks, receptionists, and administrative assistants. These jobs will be reduced because AI tools and software like ChatGPT and RPA can automate form filling, scheduling, and routine communications. At number 4, we have certain roles in banking and financial services, such as bank tellers, insurance underwriters, and loan processors. These jobs will be reduced because digital banking, online applications, and AI-based risk modeling are replacing many routine finance tasks. At number 3, we have retail and customer service. Jobs such as cashiers, retail sales associates, and call center agents. These jobs will be reduced because self-checkouts, e-commerce, and chatbots are cutting the need for human staff. At number 2, we have transportation, such as delivery drivers for long-term, truck drivers, especially long-haul, and toll booth operators. These jobs are expected to reduce because autonomous vehicles are still evolving, but this sector is expected to face long-term disruption from self-driving tech. At number 1, we have low-skill service work. Jobs such as cleaners in industrial settings, kitchen assistants, and fast food workers. These jobs are likely to be reduced because automation in food service and cleaning robots are slowly becoming more cost-effective for businesses. Now we move on to jobs declining but not disappearing, such as telemarketers, proofreaders and court reporters, travel agents, library technicians, and medical transcriptionists. These jobs are likely to see a decline because of AI tools and software, online platforms, digitalization of info, and Google Medical AI or EHR will slowly replace these roles. Want to future-proof? Here are jobs that are expected to grow in demand by 2030. At number 6, we have software developers. At 5, we have cybersecurity analysts. At number 4, we have AI or machine learning specialists. At number 3, we have healthcare professionals. Number 2 is green energy technicians. And at number 1, we have data analysts. According to the 2025 World Economic Forum and OECD, these are the jobs that are expected to grow in demand by 2030. The future is not about losing jobs, it's about evolving. Will you be ready? Comment which job surprised you the most or what skill you're planning to learn. Thank you for watching.